Hey there, universe nerds. Today we're diving into one of the weirdest cosmic mysteries ever discovered. Something that shouldn't exist, but might. It's called the dark flow, a strange motion of galaxy clusters that seems to defy everything we know about the universe's expansion. According to our best models, galaxies should be spreading out evenly in all directions, carried by cosmic expansion. But when scientists measured the motion of thousands of galaxy clusters, they found something shocking. They all seemed to be drifting the same way, toward a region of the sky beyond the edge of the observable universe. What's pulling them? No one knows for sure. Let's start with how this mystery began. In 2008, a team of scientists using NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, WMAP, analyzed the tiny fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. By studying how the CMB's radiation interacts with galaxy clusters through something called the kinetic Sunyaev-Zeldovich effect, they could detect the motion of those clusters relative to the background radiation. What they found was astonishing. Hundreds of massive galaxy clusters appeared to be moving together, not randomly, but in one coherent direction. This motion couldn't be explained by the standard expansion of the universe alone. The team called it the dark flow. It wasn't just a few clusters. The flow seemed to extend across hundreds of millions of light years, maybe even farther. And it was moving fast, up to 1,000 kilometers per second, all heading toward a point in the sky near the constellations Centaurus and Hydra. That's roughly the same region as the Great Attractor and Shapley supercluster, but the flow seemed to extend beyond them, possibly beyond the edge of the observable universe itself. If true, that meant something enormous, something outside our visible cosmos could be tugging on us. At first, the discovery shook cosmology. The Big Bang model, combined with general relativity, says that on the largest scales, the universe should look the same everywhere, what scientists call cosmic isotropy. But dark flow seemed to break that rule. It suggested there might be a preferred direction in space, a gravitational influence from beyond what we can see. Some scientists speculated that it could be caused by massive structures outside our cosmic horizon, perhaps remnants of earlier universes or regions of space that inflation stretched beyond our reach. Others even proposed that the dark flow might hint at a multiverse, with our universe being just one bubble among many, all gravitationally interacting at the edges. Imagine entire universes tugging on each other through the invisible fabric of space-time. It's an idea both thrilling and terrifying that our universe might not be alone, and that what happens beyond our horizon can still touch us. On the other hand, if dark flow turns out to be an illusion, it's still a valuable mystery. It forces astronomers to refine their tools, improve data, and test our assumptions about cosmic uniformity. In that sense, it's doing what great scientific mysteries always do, pushing us to look deeper, think harder, and admit what we don't yet understand. Whether the dark flow exists or not, it's teaching us how fragile our cosmic perspective really is. The name itself, dark flow, captures something poetic. It's not dark because it's evil or ominous, but because it's unseen. We can't observe it directly. We only sense its pull. It reminds us that even in the most advanced maps of the universe, there are still blank spaces labeled unknown. And maybe that's fitting. After all, we live in a cosmos defined by what we can't see: dark matter, dark energy, and now, maybe, dark motion. Some theorists have even proposed that dark flow could connect to the cosmic inflation field, the energy that drove the universe's first expansion. If inflation didn't happen uniformly, it might have left behind tiny imbalances, like the last ripples of a wave, that still influence motion billions of years later. In that case, dark flow might be the oldest surviving whisper from the dawn of time, a fossil of the universe's earliest heartbeat. So, what is the dark flow? It's either a cosmic mirage or a window into something bigger than we've ever imagined, a force that could stretch beyond the limits of our observable universe. Whether it turns out to be real or not, it reminds us that the universe isn't static or fully known. It's alive with mystery, motion, and wonder. Somewhere out there, galaxies may be moving to a rhythm set by forces we can't yet see, and we, the tiny observers on one small planet, are part of that same silent flow.